Our Korean fried chicken burger, it was crispy, it was juicy, it was tangy, sweet, savoury. It was a mouthful of heaven, and you gotta try it. Hey everyone, I'm Miles Kane.
And this is Wok and Roll Wednesday. Miles, you're a big fan of fried chicken.
Yeah, I am, man.
General.
It's a bit of an addiction for me, so I am, yeah, this is like a dream come true for me. And you give me a Korean version.
So you like fried chicken a lot.
Yeah.
And you like spicy food a lot.
Yeah.
Well, this is like the combination of the two.
Yeah.
I did this on Sunday brunch a while back.
Yeah.
And I've never had so many people message me afterwards.
I'm honoured.
And I think they actually took Simon Rimmer's the snippet of his face, of his Korean fried chicken burger face.
Yeah. There you go. He just melted. He went to
he did.
heaven. He just started levitated out. Yeah.
It's exactly the same recipe. Okay. We're going to start with the chicken itself. I've got chicken thigh here. There's 3 chicken thighs in here. We're going to marinate this.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we've got some finely chopped up garlic and ginger.
Yeah.
Which is going to pop into there. And then a good pinch of salt and pepper.
And you haven't done any buttermilk or anything, nothing
Yeah,
wet.
no,
Do you keep it dry?
You can.
Yeah.
But actually I find with chicken thigh, it doesn't need it.
You don't need to do
I
that.
think if you're using chicken breast, then maybe you want to put a buttermilk or something that's going to tenderize it a little bit more.
Tenderize it, yeah.
Yeah, but with chicken thigh, right, honestly, if you cook it perfectly, you doesn't need it at all, because it should be nice and moist anyway.
Yeah.
I'm going to get you to give that a good massage round, so get that flavour into there, get all that ginger and garlic into there. I've got some sesame oil here as well, so I'll pour a little bit of that in there, and we'll use some for we're going to make a kimchi slaw with it as well, so that's going to go around the slaw. Okay.
Cool.
Now, keep your hands dirty there. Yeah. We're going to start to sort of corn flour this up. We've got a whole load of corn flour in this bowl here.
Yeah.
I'm going to put some baking powder into that as well.
Oh.
Right, and that baking powder will get the crispiness to be more frayy.
Oh yeah. They're the best bits.
Yeah. So you get those little sort of knobbly bits of crispiness. That's what you're looking for. Those can just get sort of really well covered in that corn flour, which is why I got a fair bit of corn flour in there.
Yeah.
Okay? So your chicken pieces, really easy.
Yeah.
That's done.
That's done.
You know, once all the prep's done, it's actually really easy. You know, we're gonna do the slaw in a second, but when we're frying this, we want to fry it to perfection. Wooden chopsticks, perfect for testing your oil.
Really? Wow.
Yeah.
I never knew this. Go on, I'm intrigued.
That was a good face.
Yeah.
So look, watch, if you put your chopsticks in, and it fizzes up like that straight away, then your oil's at about 180 degrees.
Right. Wow.
Right. Cool.
Yeah.
So we know it's hot enough. Yeah, that's fizzing away, and that's on a medium heat at the moment. Right. So we're going to carefully, with this, we call it spider. Yeah. It's more like a spider's web. Yeah. But this is great because it drips really well and it doesn't hold any excess oil. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Right, so we're just going to place your chicken pieces, give them a little sort of shake, and then place it on here and then lay it into the fryer. Okay.
One at a time.
Yeah, one at a time. Yeah.
And then just dip it in.
Yeah, dip it in. Let go of it. Yeah, into there. Yeah. There we go. All right. Good teamwork. Yeah. This is making you salivate already?
Yeah, it is. Can you hear me?
I know you.
Yeah,
I know you very quickly.
Yeah.
You just, give me the chicken. Well, obviously, we have to make it quick. But you see, that initial seal on the medium heat, that's created
I've never done it with just the corn flour and that.
Yeah, but you can see how crispy that's going to be, right? At that point, I'm going to turn that right down so that it can cook through but not burn. On the outside. Because it's a dry flour on the outside, it can burn quite quickly.
Yeah.
And in between, we've got loads of time to set up your slaw and your sauce that we're going to wrap the chicken in. Okay?
Yeah.
So your slaw is over here. So, for your slaw, we've got some sweetheart cabbage.
Yeah.
Carrot, or finely sliced up.
Yeah, lovely.
Right, what the French call julienne, what the Chinese call fine slices.
Yeah.
Right, and some red onion. Yeah.
Cool.
We've also got some kimchi there. We're just going to throw that kimchi in. Now add a bit of sort of base savoury and spiciness.
Yeah.
You know, that nice fermented flavour to it. Then we've got some Japanese mayo, which is kind of like a slightly sweeter.
Yeah.
It's got sugar. It's got sugar in it, and it's a mayo made out of rice vinegar, not like a normal distilled or malt vinegar.
Right.
Yeah.
Cool.
Get a good squeeze of lemon juice into there, a pinch of salt and pepper, and then just a few, like, you can just break off a few of those leaves of coriander, throw them in there, and then give that a good mix.
Yeah.
Okay, so you got your slaw.
Yeah.
Your chicken's cooking. That needs another maybe 3 minutes or so. We've got to make up a sauce. So you like your spice.
Yeah.
Always time for a beer.
Cheers.
You're really teaching me the rock and roll lifestyle, Miles. I'm going to be asleep for the rest of the weekend because I'm a half pint.
Yeah.
Right. So you got your slaw. Chicken's cooking. We're going to make up your sauce. Your sauce has quite a few different ingredients in it, right? We're going to start with saltiness from your light soy sauce. Yeah. And then we've got some rice vinegar for sour. But you don't want this sauce to taste sour, right? So you want to balance that out with some light brown sugar.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mix that together.
Yeah.
Some mustard.
Is that just regular?
Yeah, that's regular English mustard.
Yeah.
Right, because English mustard is the best mustard.
Yeah.
Right. Right. So give that a good mix through, and then this stuff is the gochujang.
Yeah.
That's a Korean chili paste, kind of like a sweet. It's almost like a chili hoisin almost. Yeah, it's got that sort of texture to it. That is going to create the wrapping texture of the sauce.
Yeah.
For my
heat
for the
this
chicken
up as well.
Yeah,
it's
we're going to
get
heat it up in the
thick
wok, along with either maple syrup or honey.
Oh yeah. What have you
Okay.
gone for?
That's honey.
Yeah.
Okay.
I could just have that like that, I think. Yeah.
You just want to drink that instead of your beer. Okay. Meanwhile, our chicken is fried nicely, but if you want it even crispier than it already is,
Yeah.
we could dunk it in to the oil again on a second fry.
I think we should do. Do you think we should?
I think we should.
I mean, I'm kind of ready. If you want to
Just
go,
look at your
yeah,
face.
Yeah,
You're
yeah,
like-
I'm ready. Yeah,
You are definitely a double fry type of guy.
100%. Yeah, definitely. Crisp me up, man.
Okay, Miles, I think this is super hot now, so those can go in for another minute, yeah?
Yeah.
Just go careful.
There you go.
The double fry, make that super crispy as you like it.
Heaven.
Okay. So you can see how crispy
Yeah.
that is. Yeah, from
Yeah.
that second fry.
And when it cools a minute, it'll even crisp up more.
Yeah, and actually even with the sauce, because it's got that sort of stickiness to it,
It won't make it soggy.
it won't make it
Yeah.
soggy, it will just stick around the crispiness. So, we've gotten rid of the oil.
Yeah.
We're going to finish this off in the wok in a second, which I'll get you to do. But before that, we're going to toast some sesame seeds. So the sesame seeds can go in there. And that's just to sort of cover the sticky glaze at the end.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Before we finish it off,
Yeah.
we're going to toast the bun, okay? So just place those down, get those nice and toasty. Okay, so your bun is nice and toasted.
Yeah.
That is ready for us to finish this off. And then this is the fun part, okay? You've got your ginger and garlic here and your sauce. Oil in.
I just stick it all in.
Yeah, stick it all in, yeah. Yeah, fold that through. Don't burn that garlic. Yeah, that's it, lift it up a little. All right, once it starts to brown a little,
Oh,
which
yeah,
you can
see we're getting brown
yeah?
there.
Then we're going to get it to really, really high smoking point. Keep it on the heat for now.
Yeah.
Right, I'm going to whack that up to the highest possible heat. And when the whole wok is smoking hot, then you want to pour your sauce around the edge of the wok. Yeah? Okay.
Would you say we're ready now?
I'm ready, yeah. Whoa, that's it. Let it keep it on the heat, because you want to bring it to a vigorous boil, right?
Yeah.
And you want to sort of fold that through, just fold it through like that, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, only once the sauce is vigorously boiling do you want to put your chicken in. And then when the chicken goes in, you want to flick it through 3 or 4 times. I like that, you're sort of dancing whilst
I'm tap dancing underneath as well.
Okay, is it vigorously boiling?
I'd say so.
Yeah, okay, chicken's in. Okay, and you ready?
Yeah.
Go for it. Flick it right over, and again. Bigger flick, there we go. And a big toss through.
There we go.
There, you're done.
We're done.
All right, okay, now we're ready to compile it. This is Miles Kane in his playground.
I'm in my element right now.
That is, I mean, it speaks for itself really, doesn't it? Top that.
Look at that.
And you can feel and see how crunchy that is. And that extra bit of peanut and the toasted sesame seeds on top.
Oh, brother. Yes. Are we going in?
Yes, yeah, go for it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Boy. Wow, the flavour. You get it all, don't you? That little caramelisation in there.
And it's still crunchy.
We're crispy.
Yeah. Sweet, sour, salty, spicy, crunchy.
What more do you want? Okay. That's fantastic, mate.
This one speaks for itself,
Definitely
guys.
Try it. Yeah.
Korean fried chicken burger. Miles Kane and me.